The most popular dog gate isn't always the best, especially when you're on a budget. Everyone assumes the top seller is the winner, but dig a little deeper and you'll find cheaper options that do the job just as well or even better. Today, we're cutting through the hype to show you 5 inexpensive dog gates that actually deliver. Product number 1, Regalo Extra Wide Safety Gate. First up is the Regalo Safety 38.5-inch Extra Wide Baby Gate. This thing's been around for over 30 years and it's still a favorite for a reason. It's a pressure-mounted metal gate that fits openings from 29 to 38.5 inches, making it perfect for wider doorways or the bottom of stairs. If you want something sturdy, trusted, and easy to install without drilling, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's certified by the Baby Safety Alliance, which means it's been tested for real-world use with both kids and pets. The walk-through design has a secure locking system, so your dog can't push it open, but you can still pass through easily, even with your hands full. At 9 pounds, it's solid but not overly heavy, and the white finish blends into most homes. Over 10,000 people bought this in the past month, and while we don't have exact ratings, the brand reputation speaks volumes. Now, some people complained about the pressure mount not feeling secure enough for large or strong dogs. Here's the thing though, this gate is designed for small to medium pets and babies up to 24 months. If you've got a 100-pound German Shepherd, this probably isn't your best bet. But for most dogs under 50 pounds, it holds up just fine, especially if you use the included wall cups like the instructions say. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, no-drill gate for a wide hallway or bottom of the stairs, and want something from a brand that's been trusted for decades. Skip this one if you have a very large or hyper dog that might test the limits. For the price and peace of mind, it's a solid value. Product number 2, Sidney Auto Close Pet Gate. Now, if the Regalo's lack of auto close bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Sidney Baby Gate no drilling features an intelligent self-closing system. Once you walk through and let go under 90 degrees, it swings shut on its own. That's huge if you're juggling groceries, a baby, or just hate having to remember to close the gate. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual lock mechanism means your dog or toddler can't figure out how to open it, but you can still push through with one hand. It's pressure-mounted, so no drilling, and comes with sticky pads to protect your walls, ideal for renters. The anti-stumble pedal is a nice touch, especially if you've got strollers or elderly family members who might trip. It adjusts from 29 to 40 inches, covering most standard doorways, and over 5,000 people bought it last month. Now, some people complain that the auto close can be a bit too aggressive, sometimes slamming shut if not opened fully. Here's the thing though, once you get used to opening it past the 90-degree mark, it works smoothly. It's not a deal breaker, just a small learning curve. Also, while it's sturdy, it's not meant for top-of-stair use unless properly anchored, so keep that in mind. This is perfect for you if you want convenience, auto close, and a gate that works well in busy households. Skip this one if you need something for the top of stairs without wall mounting. At $56.64, it's a little pricier than some, but the features justify the cost for many families. Product number 3, Coupon Mesh Pet Gate. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're on a tight budget. The Coupon Dog Screen Mesh Gate is only $16.73. Yes, you heard that right. It's a fabric mesh gate that stretches across 32 to 35-inch openings held in place with adhesive hooks. If you want something ultra-affordable, lightweight, and damage-free, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's perfect for renters or temporary setups. You can install it in under 5 minutes without tools and it won't scratch your walls. The mesh is made of strong tensile fiber, so it resists tearing even if your dog tries to chew or paw at it. It's 29 inches tall and 38 inches wide, great for small to medium dogs who aren't climbers. Over 1,000 people bought it recently, and for the price, it's a steal. Now, some people complain that the adhesive hooks don't hold well on textured or painted walls. Here's the thing though, this gate is best for smooth, flat surfaces like wood or tile. If your wall is rough or wallpaper covered, it might not stick. Also, it's not for strong or large dogs. This is more of a visual and light physical barrier. This is perfect for you if you need a cheap, temporary solution for a doorway or staircase and have a calm dog. Skip this one if you have a large, energetic, or destructive pet. For under $20, it's an amazing value for light-duty use. Product number 4, YORWHIN Freestanding Short Gate. Now, if the mesh gate felt too flimsy, this next one offers a different kind of flexibility. The YORWHIN Freestanding Short Dog Gate is only 16.5 inches tall but expands up to 51 inches wide. It's metal, foldable, and sets up in seconds, no installation needed. If you want something portable, easy to move, and great for small dogs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's perfect for tiny breeds under 15 pounds. The low height lets adults step over it easily, but it's just tall enough to block curious puppies from slipping through. It folds down to just 4 inches thick, so you can stash it in a closet or take it camping. Made of reinforced metal, it's way sturdier than wood and won't tip over easily. At 5 pounds, it's lightweight but solid. Now, some people complain that it's too short for medium or large dogs. Here's the thing though, this gate is designed specifically for small pets. If you've got a Chihuahua or a senior dog, it's ideal. But if your dog can jump or climb, this won't stop them. Also, it's not pressure mounted, so it won't work in tight spaces without something to brace against. This is perfect for you if you have a small dog and need a quick portable barrier for stairs or doorways. Skip this one if you have a larger or more active pet. At $50.15, it's a great value for what it does. Product number 5, YORWHIN Cutout Wooden Gate. Finally, if you like the freestanding idea but want something that looks nicer in your living room, the YORWHIN Cutout Design Short Dog Gate might be your match. It's 16 inches tall, made of wood with a modern cutout pattern, and expands from 18 to 41 inches. If you want style, portability, and function in one, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It doubles as home decor. The pure white matte finish and hollow design make it feel less like a barrier and more like furniture. It's ultralight at just 3.9 pounds, folds flat, and sets up in seconds. The non-slip feet protect your floors, and the smooth edges are safe for paws. Perfect for small dogs, teacup breeds, or senior pets who don't jump. Now, some people complain that the wood can scratch easily or get damaged by chewing. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for aggressive chewers. It's designed for calm, small pets in homes where aesthetics matter. Also, at 16 inches, it's not for dogs that can hop over barriers. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, portable gate for a small dog and hate the look of metal fences. Skip this one if you have a chewer or a dog that can jump. At $51.49, it's a bit pricier, but you're paying for design and convenience. So which one's right for you? The Regalo is the most trusted for wide spaces. The Side Knee adds auto-close convenience. The Q-Pount is the cheapest for light use, and both YORWHIN gates offer portability, one in metal, one in stylish wood. None are perfect for every dog, but each delivers serious value for the price. Pick the one that fits your space, your pet, and your budget, and finally get that peace of mind without breaking the bank.